was about how the imagination of a mother affects the values of the child in the womb.
On Garbha Sanskar taught me on how I should be talking to my kid in the womb, kids and babies in my womb, and how I have control, 100% control over my babies when it is actually in my womb. Feeding positivity and eradicating negative thoughts are going to be my top priority.
I feel very relaxed after doing them. I did them and I realized that there were so many thoughts coming in my mind and they just went off as if I just stepped out of that thinking, and those thoughts did not have that much impact and they were just gone. So it was very nice. I felt very nice about it.
Whenever we read, it is said that a pregnant woman should read. The reason behind it is to create emotion. So whatever we are reading, quality is generated, emotions get generated, and that is somehow helping the baby within our womb to understand emotions and then react to it when it comes out.
Music importance, everyone knows like music is very important, but then it is very important in the development of child. It's completely new to me, and there are different ragas who's putting different kind of impact. It's really amazing to know that.
Because I conceived this baby with a IVF. This is an IVF conception, and I'm a diabetic, so you can understand ki I was having lots of stress and lots of negative thoughts also, because I'm always thinking ki there will be possibility to have some defects in my baby or something like that. But when I join your first session, I really feel that ki whatever you are thinking, that is only going to happen. So I have to start thinking positively.